Hey, what's up guys? So today's Friday, October 23rd, and it's a really nice day out here. There's a hurricane coming, Hurricane Patricia. We don't know if it's actually going to hit us, but it's near us. It's in Mexico right now, and it's really windy. I don't know if that's a sign of a hurricane, but it's been windy lately, so we're not sure. We're all confused. But anyway, I'm having a really nice day. Let me know how your day was today in the comments. And I'm just really positive today. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing, oh my gosh, there's a wasp. Why I'm wearing pink eyeshadow, it's because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So if you guys want to respect that and go ahead and participate, all you need to do is wear some sort of pink and you'll be good. So my grandma actually had breast cancer, so I support breast cancer. So I'm wearing pink eyeshadow. I went to school today with a pink shirt on. I totally forgot that it was Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and only like a few people were wearing pink shirts, and a lot of people had like pink face paint on, and I thought that that wasn't allowed in my school. And apparently it was. It was just like blush underneath their eyes, but like face paint. I don't know. But anyway, but yeah, I totally respect that. And yeah, so it's really nice out here though. See? Nice. The trees are blowing around. So yeah. And my mom's inside brushing my cat Fireball. His hair, or his fur, I mean. He's not human. He doesn't just have hair. He's fur. Furry kitty. Anyway, it takes us a really long time to brush his fur because he's a really fluffy cat. And he's really old. And he just doesn't cooperate. And he just meows and tries to escape. And it's a huge hassle to get it done. But he has a lot of fur. So it's literally filling up the trash can with like so much fur. But anyway, yeah. So, we might go shopping we might go shopping later on today. But I'm not sure. And then I got out of the shower today and I was really, really cold. Oh my gosh, the wind is crazy and I'm still cold. I need to get on a sweater. Anyway, in just a second I'll go get a sweater, but I put on some pants and a cute shirt that says keep calm, carry on, and yeah, so that's what I have for my outfit today. I was really cold and I was like, I'm just gonna wear this. And it doesn't get that cold here. That's why I have still a lot of sweaters because in winter it kind of gets pretty cold. But in fall it's just a little windy and a little chilly. But that's it. So, yeah. But my brother is in marching band and he's doing, I think, a show tonight. Either that tomorrow, marching MPA, that's what's tomorrow. And I might vlog during that, I'm not sure. If I go to see it, then I don't know. Anyway, but he's at practice right now. My dad's at work. We're going to go pick him up in a couple minutes. And there's a white bird flying over there, but it disappeared. So, yeah. And I'll just let you guys know how my day goes further. So, yeah, I'm going to go get a sweater. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I have my sweater on. Just like a cardigan, you know. And I like silver because it matches everything. I don't have a lot of white sweaters. I mean, I have a couple, but it just gets really dirty fast, so I don't really wear white a lot. But I do have a black cardigan, and then I have a silver cardigan. And the silver one, I think it's just like white and black. Black and white. Why did I say white and black? That sounds really weird. Black and white, because black and white match everything, so, yeah. And I think silver and gold match everything too. It just depends on what you wear it with. Like silver matches bright colors, gold matches dull colors. I don't know. Comment down below. Which one do you think like matches the most with everything? Gold or silver or both? So please comment. I need to know because I'm so confused. And yeah, so it's still pretty windy out here. The wind's died down a bit. Still getting a little chilly, but anyway. And I'm really hungry. I don't know what I'm having for dinner. I think I'm having like hamburgers or chicken. I don't know. I'm gonna go ask my mom. Hold up. So I went and asked my mom what we're having for dinner, and she said pizza. And the way we make our pizzas is a little bit differently than you guys would think we would make them. And we make them with bagels, and it's really, really super yummy. I literally got this idea off of YouTube from My Life is Ava. Her channel, it's super fun and it's cool. She's super positive, funny, so you should definitely check her channel out. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, just let me know in the comments of this video so that I can tell you how to do it. Anyway, but bagel pizzas are basically little bagels, and they're so cute, and I think they're so Instagram worthy and Tumblr worthy, and it's like so cool, and it's just mind blowing. It's like you can do it in literally less than 10 minutes, and it's so simple. I don't even know how to make regular food, and I can make that in just like less than 5 minutes, so it's like way awesome. And you guys can reheat it from like in the oven for like 2 minutes and put it in your school lunch, and it's amazing, and I love it so much. And basically you'll need marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, a plain bagel, and what else do I need? Pepperonis if you want pepperonis. And I really like these bagel pizzas, and yeah, so they taste really good, and they're just, you can cook them for 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes in the oven. They're done. Easy as that, guys. So easy. By the way, I can't snap. Like, I can't. I snap weird. I go like this. Is that normal? I have no idea. My friend snaps like that too, and neither of us can snap at all. It's like, I can't. No. I have a friend that can do, like, with all of their fingers. Like, what? Anyway. Yeah. I love it when my eyes are, like, in the sunlight because they're so blue. But anyway, there's a timer going off inside my house, and I need to go get my dad, so, yeah, let's go. We're in the dollar store. So we're trying to buy a container for my dad, and found it. So we're gonna leave. So got these red and a white striper. So yeah, that's what I got at the dollar store. And then my dad just got a bin. Yeah. So this is really good because I have a black striper, as you can see, but I just got a white one, and they're each $1, so that's pretty awesome. Didn't have any red, and I'm really glad I have some now because I'm being Minnie Mouse for Halloween, and I need some red and I need some white, so I'm good. So we're on our way to Walmart right now, and we're gonna get some stuff. So yeah. So we're on our way in the store, and we're gonna rent a movie, and then we're getting some cheese for pizza, and then yeah. So
getting some cheese for pizza?
Yeah, we're having pizza.
Yeah.
We're having pizza tonight. We got some bagels to make the bagel pizzas. So yeah, we're getting
What
cheese.
about you have cheese at home too, I thought.
I know, but like I don't like that cheese. It doesn't taste right. Okay, crossing the road.
Make the cheese.
Pumpkins, and then there's a giant donut up there. Don't know. Giant pumpkins. They're like way bigger than like me. Welcome to fall. Alright, we're gonna get some chips. And yeah. So, right, we're getting some chips. Obviously. But yeah, we're getting chips. We're getting some crackers instead. So, to go with some cheese. So yeah. That's what we got. So we got some cheese, some more cheese, and some crackers. Is that all we're going to get? Is that all we're getting?
I don't know.
I'm assuming that's a yes because we're leaving. So yeah. Oh, tinsel. Well.
Starting the Christmas stuff over here again.
Yeah, Christmas. It's like whenever you see like Halloween stuff out, then they instantly bring Christmas stuff out. It doesn't make any sense.
What?
How they do like Thanksgiving and Halloween, and then instantly, right when October starts, and they bring out
They
Christmas
don't do
stuff.
Thanksgiving. No.
They're
Start
like,
decorating for it. They
I
just
mean, like they
get
just
the food out.
they just have like,
Sell a lot of food for Thanksgiving.
but yeah.
Where'd you go?
I see. Okay. So, yeah. Alright, so we're ready to go. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. We just got back home from the store and from all of our travels. I'm really tired, so I'll just have to say goodbye. So, that's all I have for you guys today. And I'll see you guys next Friday in the next vlog. So, bye!